Guangzhou Missgel Limited Company was founded in 2011, is a professional UV and LED nail gel products manufacturer in China. Our factory covers an area of 9,000 square meters and employs over 357 staff. We have large-scale advanced production equipment, automatic machines, as well as qualified professionals and managers to improve the production efficiency and product quality. Now, our maximum daily output can achieve 600,000 bottles per day. Missgel produces gel polish, builder gel, base top coat, gel paint, glitter gel, cat's eye gel, perfect match gel. The product development team can create up to 1,000 new colors every year. Our product certificates have cosmetic GMP, ISO 22716, SGS, MSDS, CPSR, PIF for CPNP registration. We can meet most national standards and assist you in providing the full production documents you need. Because of quality products, competitive prices, and excellent customer service, Missgel products have been exported to more than 150 countries, especially Spain, UK, Poland, Russia, Ukraine, Japan, USA, Brazil. Missgel have own brands in domestic and also provided OEM and ODM services, including labeling, inserts, and packaging. Start your brand with Missgel. We will provide professional support to achieve your business success. Thanks for your time.